Thank you for joining this lesson. We are going to learn something called successive transformations. Under successive transformations, this is whereby an object undergoes several transformations, either two or above, one after another. So when transformations are several, represented by different matrices of transformations, we usually say if an object goes through transformations, for example, mn, respectively, if transformations are written like this, then n is performed first, followed by m, in that order. For instance, we got a question here which says the triangle ABC, whose vertices are given here, undergoes transformations PQ with matrices, these ones respectively. Write down the coordinates of triangle A prime, B double prime, and C double prime, the final image of triangle ABC. This means because the triangle is undergoing transformations PQ, P is performed later, but we start with Q because it is on the left hand side. So we start with the one on the right hand side, followed by the one on the left hand side. For example, performing PQ in this order means we start with Q. So we multiply matrix Q, which is here, 1, 0, 0, negative 1, with the column vectors of the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, and this will give us the first image, such that 1 by 1, then 0 by 2 gives us 1, 1 by 3, 0 by 2, that gives us 3, 1 by 3, and 0 by 5 gives us again 3. And on the other side, we shall have 0 by 1 and negative 1 by 2. So negative 2, 0 by 3 and negative 1 by 2 gives us negative 2. And this one is 0 by 3 and negative 1 by 5 giving us negative 5. Therefore now, this is the first image of the triangle ABC after the first transformation. Now this image undergoes a transformation whose matrix is a negative 1, 0, 0, 1, because we've said we start with Q, which is here. Now we finish with P, negative 1, 0, 0, 1. We multiply this one now with the first image for us to get the second image, negative 2 and 3, negative 5. So this one will lead us to negative 1 by 1, negative 1, then 0 by negative 2 gives us negative 1. Negative 1 by 3, negative 3, because we love 0 by negative 2. Negative 1 by 3 and 0 by negative 5 gives us negative 3. Then now finally we will have 0 by 1 and 1 by negative 2. 0 by 3 and 1 by negative 2. 0 by 3 and 1 by negative 5. So the final image is going to be coordinate A found at negative 1, negative 2, coordinate B found at negative 3, negative 2, and C double prime, negative 3, negative 5. So that is how we perform successive transformations. We first of all perform the transformation on the right hand side, and finally the one on the left hand side. If they were 3 transformations successively, let's say for example P, Q, R with different transformation matrices, we would perform R first, followed by Q, and finally P. So that's how matrices are performed on an object. Thank you for following. Subscribe to this channel and share the link.